Este es el regalo de Scotty. Ábrelo, papi, ábrelo, mira. Push, push. A ver, dice. To baby Scotty from Madrina Luisa. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to take it away. Look, what's inside? Look, open it. Scott. Mira. Mira, papi, qué bonito, qué bonito. Mira. Scott. Whoa, Scott. Look, you have one exactly like this. Except it's only 12 months, Madrina, so it's not going to fly. We're going to try to return it for a 2-year-old, because he's 2. Mira, papi, mira la cobijita. Mira, papi. Scott, la cobija, mira. We needed one exactly like this in the office, and we got one. Yay, Scotty. And then here's your birthday card, puppy. Look. Scott, your birthday card. Yay, thank you. Say thank you, Madrina. Thank you. Tírale un beso, Madrina. Así. Otro beso. Scott. Ojitos para Madrina. Ojitos. No ojitos, no besos, ojitos. Unos ojitos, Scott. Scotty. Ojitos. Ojitos, papi. Scott. Enséñale a Madrina que sabes caminar. Ándale. Párate. Stand up. Come on. Get up. Ay, good. Vente. Vente para acá. Caminale. Come over here. Come on, help me to put this away. Help me. Can you come over here, Scott? Come over here. Scotty, come over here. Come on. Over here. Scott. Ven acá. No, that's calling the chickens. Ven a caminar acá. Vente. Come here. Okay, fine. I'm going to get your little car. And you're going to walk with the little car. Oops, you fell down. Here. Here's your little car. Grab it. Grab your car. Come on. Grab your birthday card. You got this for your birthday, too. Dame esta. Vente. Come here.